Okay, welcome back to my video. This is Chemistry Form 4 Chapter 8 Manufactured Substances in Industry. So some of the keywords we will learn in Chapter 8 is alloy, pure metal, superconductor, glass, ceramic, composite material. But today we will cover alloy. So alloy and its importance 8.1. At the end of this lesson, you are able to describe briefly alloy with examples. Compare the properties of an alloy with its pure metal and also justify the usage of alloy based on their composition and properties. So this one, photograph at point 1, the National Monument. Okay, National Monument was built in 1966 using alloy. So what is an alloy? An alloy is a mixture of two or more elements where the main element is a metal. So alloy ini adalah mixture of two or more elements. Okay, main element dia adalah metal. So the National Monuments of Malaysia was built using bronze. So bronze itu adalah alloy. So kita tengok some examples of alloy and their importance. The first one, pewter. This is used to make souvenirs. Okay, pewter ini adalah timah. Okay, duralumin. This is used to make the body of an aeroplane. Bronze is used to make medals. Okay, medals ini adalah gangsa. And this one, brass, is used to make keys. Ini tembaga. Okay. Steel is used to make the body of a car. Keluli. Stainless steel is used to make cutlery. This one is keluli tahan karat. Alright. So ini adalah contoh contoh alloy ya. So this one shows the comparison between the properties of an alloy and a pure metal. The alloy process helps to prevent the corrosions of metal and alter the properties of a pure metal to make it harder and stronger. So, kalau dari segi surface, okay, surface alloy dia shiny compared to pure metal dia dull, dia kusam, dia tidak shiny macam alloy. And then resistance to corrosion, alloy dia resistant to corrosion, pure metal dia easily corroded. Hardness, alloy is harder compared to pure metal. Okay. A pure metal is made up of one type of atom that is of the same size and arranged in an orderly arrangement. So di sini yang kamu kena ingat Sini kena ingat kalau original metal ataupun pure metal dia terdiri daripada atom yang same size and the arrangement also in orderly arrangement. So for example here figure 8.5 pure metals when force is applied, the layer of the atom will easily slide over each other. Sebab size dia punya atom sama dan arrangement dia pun orderly. So, this causes pure metal to be ductile and easily pulled into fine wires. So, dia adalah ductile. Okay? Easily pulled into fine wires di sini. Okay? Kalau yang ini, pure metals are also malleable. Okay, malleable. So, dua ciri-ciri kalau pure metal. Satu malleable, satu lagi ductile di sini. So pure metals are also malleable and its shape can be easily changed. There are empty spaces between the atoms in pure metal. When force is applied, the layer of atom in the metal will slide to fill the empty spaces and form a new structure. So di sini kena ingat pure metals are malleable and ductile. Di sini malleable, di sini maksud dia mudah dibentuk. Okay, and ductile here means mulur. Mulur mean easy to be pulled into wires. Okay, and the alloy is formed when foreign atoms are mixed with the pure metal. So daripada definition tadi, what is alloy? Alloy is mixture of two or more elements. Okay, so here when alloy is mixed with different atom or foreign atoms, okay, these foreign atoms are different in size compared to the atom in the pure metal. So the orderly arrangements of the atoms in the pure metal is disrupted. Okay, dia punya arrangement tidak lagi orderly. Okay, because dia sudah kena mix dengan foreign atom that have different size compared to the pure metal. So kalau yang biru ini, this one is another foreign atom mixed to the pure metal. So now the orderly arrangements of the atoms is disrupted. Okay, disrupted. So this makes it difficult for the layer of atoms in an alloy to slide over each other when force is applied. Sebab itulah alloy is more harder compared to pure metal. Okay, alright. Okay, the uses of alloy based on their compositions and properties. The uses of alloy is based on composition and properties of the alloy produced. Alloys are made for specific purposes. Scientists change the elemental composition to produce alloys with different properties. For example, steel and stainless steel originate from the same pure metal, which is iron. However, both alloy have different properties and are used for different purposes. So dia punya properties itu bergantung kepada apa tujuan dia dibina. Okay. So ini adalah composition, properties and the uses of alloys. The first one, duralumin. Composition dia adalah 93% aluminium. So dia punya original di situ adalah aluminium. Okay, dia ditambah dengan 3% copper, 3% magnesium, 1% manganese. So the properties of duralumin stronger than pure aluminium. Low density, does not rust. Okay, the uses is for body of aeroplanes, electric cables and racing bicycles. Okay. Second one, bronze. Okay, bronze di sini original dia adalah 90% copper added with 10% tin. So properties dia stronger than pure copper, does not rust and shiny. Uses for medals, monuments, trophies. Brass di sini 70% copper, 30% zinc. So stronger than pure copper, does not rust and shiny. This one is for musical instrument, doorknobs, keys, okay, and so on. Steel 98% iron, 0.2 until 2% carbon. So this is also known as carbon steel, stronger and harder, steel malleable. There are three types of steel, which are low carbon steel, average carbon steel and high carbon steel. So this one is for structure of buildings, railway tracks, body of cars. Stainless steel, okay, stainless steel 73% iron, okay, so lower than steel, 18% chromium, 8% nickel and only 1% carbon. Okay, so this one is stronger than pure iron. Okay, stronger than pure iron and resistance to corrosion. So this one is for cutlery, okay, sinks and surgical instruments. So pewter di sini, pewter 95% tin, 3.5% antimony, 1.5% copper. So stronger than pure tin, does not rust and shiny. This one is for decorative ornaments, trophies and souvenirs. Okay, superconductor. A superconductor is an example of alloy used in electrical transportation such as maglev train. Superconductors do not have electrical resistance at very low temperature. So this alloy is used to make a magnet that can levitate the train and move it at a very high speed. Okay, so that is alloy and some of the examples and uses of alloy. So that's all for today. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.